262 Westwind Road. It looks like there's been a lot of very recent work done at the property. This rock looks like it was recently laid. Looks like this was recently painted. They even painted over the doorbell. So we have a powder room right off of the front entrance. The paint throughout the house from what I've seen so far looks brand new. This is tile in here, change in tile as you can see. So it's a small powder room right off of the front. Okay, I don't want to break anything, so I'm not going to force that open, but beautiful stainless steel appliances, space saver microwave, beautiful countertops, cabinets are in fantastic condition. They have the light switches taped off, so not every light switch is able to be turned on right now. That's why it's a little dark, but undermount sink, tiny bit of just a bad job there. I don't know if this outlet needs to be, this faceplate needs to be replaced or not, just because it's bent, but it might be absolutely nothing, but so there's a little bar here, little bar area. This would presumably be the dining room or an eat-in area. We need a blind here. That's 1, 2, 3. It's 3 downstairs. And this could be the living area, I suppose. Maybe another dining table here. So we're much higher than our neighbors in the back, as you can see. So this is one of the most private backyards I've seen in a while. Great concrete slab. This rock looks like it was recently laid. It looks pretty thick as well. It doesn't look like they shorted us on the rocks. Four windows, carpet looks brand new. I think this wiring may need to be set into the wall in the ceiling, which is not a big deal at all. It just may be required. So again, there's 4 windows, paint and carpet looks great. Baseboards are really nice and long. They're high. We need some sort of barrier here, a door or a curtain. There's no door or anything on this closet. Jenny will tell us if that matters at all. Five windows, light fixtures are new, just carpet on the stairs, probably for safety reasons, and a loft area here, which seems great, 6 windows, and then back to carpet in the bedrooms. So 7 windows, sorry there's no light in here, carpet looks great, paint looks great, no closet door. So 8 windows total. just visually, from what I've seen, not an inspector, but everything looks like it was done fairly well. It doesn't look like they cut a lot of corners or DIY'd it or anything. So again, no closet doors. I counted that window, so that's 8 windows. And maybe we don't even need anything on the slider since it's such a private backyard. We wouldn't be needing anything here either, so we might not even need one there. It could just be a window that brings in light. We'll see what Jenny says. So, there you go.